First, you want to go to the upper left of your screen where it says Insert. Let your mouse hover on that. Then this menu will come up. You go down the menu right near the bottom. It says Envelope here. You click on that. Then this dialog box comes up. You start with your addressee, the person you're going to send the letter to. You type in your information here. Then you type in the sender, which is yourself. This will be your return address. So you type in your information here. And this display will come up showing you what your envelope is going to look like, your return address, and then the person you're sending it to here. Now you notice here I have a few misspellings. So how can we correct this? Well, you right click on the word and then this dialog box will come up. You look down a little bit and it says spelling. You click on that and this box comes up giving you a selection of words that you can choose from. If the highlighted word is correct and you look at this little box here, it says correct. You click on that. Then another word comes up that's misspelled. You see the dialog box again. If you like that one that's selected, you hit correct. Then once you're done with the corrections, you could hit close. And now you see your words are spelled correctly on your envelope. So now let's say we want to change the font. What you do is you select the text in the envelope, press the left mouse key and drag it over the text. And if you look to the upper left of the screen, you'll see the font selection here. You click on that and you have a wide selection of fonts that you can choose from. So you just click on the font that you would like and it changes the font for you. So now you see on your envelope, the font is in the format that you selected. So let's say if you want to make this text stand out a little bit, you can select bold. You go to the top of the screen towards the left, you see this B. You click on that for bold and it'll make the text bold for you. Now you have a nice bold text that stands out on your envelope. So let's say you want to change the size of the font. Go over to the left a little bit. You click on the arrow that points down and you see all these different sizes that you can choose from. You simply click on the size that you would like and it'll change the size. And it'll change that automatically for you. So now you see on your envelope, you have a larger size font right here. Traditionally, the person you're sending the letter to will have a larger font and the return address will have a smaller font. Otherwise, the post office may get confused, and they're confused enough. So now let's say you want to print out your envelope. You go to the upper left of the screen, you see the printer icon, you click on that. This menu box will come up. If this is out of proportion, you click the preview arrows right here. You have to do that a few times and then you'll get your envelope right here. Now some printers you have to check, you might have to practice with this. You have to put the envelope in kind of like sideways. You can't put it in just like this. Depends on your printer. So a lot of times you just have to practice with the printer because it may come out in different spots. But once you get the hang of it, it's easy. Just do a few practice sheets at first till you get the hang of printing out the envelope. So the printer also has some preset functions. So you can go to Insert and it's Envelope again. And this dialog box comes up. You click on Printer. And this has a variety of different formats that you could use to print out your envelopes. We'll go through a few of them. You could choose one that you're comfortable with. Again, it might take a little practice doing this because sometimes you don't know where that envelope's going to print out, but once you practice it a few times, you'll get the hang of it pretty quickly. So once you've made your selection, you click Modify, and your printer will print it out exactly as you selected it on the screen. Another thing I wanted to show you is the preset formats for envelope sizes. Again, you go over to Insert, And you scroll down to envelopes, and this dialog box comes up again. So you'll see at the top it says Format. You want to click on that. It has a variety of different settings. You want to go to User Defined and click on that. And this has all the standard envelope formats preset for you. I think the most common are towards the top, like a number 10 envelope. If you're not sure what size your envelope is, check the box that your envelopes came in. It'll usually say what size it is on the box. So we'll click on number 10 envelope, then we'll click on Modify, and you see your envelope is now the preset size of a number 10 envelope. So this is pretty easy. Sometimes the setting is hard to find, but if you follow the instructions in this video, you should be able to print out an envelope in LibreOffice Writer with no problem. So let me know in the comments if you've had success doing this, or if you have a better method of doing this. Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.